Alright, when I was looking at compact tractors, watched all kinds of YouTube videos and did a lot of research because I wanted an easy disconnect backhoe, front end loader and all that stuff, and I looked all over the internet, could not find anything on Bobcat backhoes. So I went ahead and jumped in, bought the Bobcats. I liked the name and I liked the price, the free front end loader, all that stuff. So I got the tractor. It took, I don't know, several weeks to get it because they had to order the backhoe and put it on. And then the dealership or service department did not know how to put the backhoe on, so it took several more days. And nobody knew anything about it, so I got it home and looked at it, and now I figured out how to take the backhoe off. And that's what I was going to show in this video. Alright, first thing you want to do is you're going to set the backhoe down, set the bucket down on the ground level. This right here is going to be about a 90 degrees angle. It's going to make like a little tripod stand. Then you'll put your stabilizers down, and these pins right here, just trying to get the pressure off of them to where you can take them out. And then what we'll do is lift it up out of the cradle right here. There's a cradle right there it sits in. We'll lift it up out of it, and then we can drive off of it, whatever how much it takes, a few inches or a couple of feet to release the hoses. You want to stand outside the speed line. Then you want to disconnect your hoses and stuff. But the reason I went ahead and did this video today is because the dealership took off the top link bracket that goes here, which was completely unnecessary. So I got to put that back on in case I want to put a 3-point implement on there. Then you want to disconnect your quick connect hoses, put the dust caps back on and all that good stuff. To put it back on, I'll show you that, and you just pretty much just back the tractor back up and set it in these cradles right there. There's your cradle. You got one on both sides, and then you'll lower it into the cradles, and then of course you'll work your backhoe back in to line up these top things. Slide your pins back in. Pretty much working the backhoe to get the pins back lined up back in, and that's it.